Numpy, how to iterate over columns of array. Suppose I have an mxn array. I want to pass each column of this array to a function to perform some operation on the entire column. How do I iterate over the columns of the array? For example, I have a 4 by 3 array like, where column would be a 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first iteration, 99, 14, 12, 43 in the second, and 2, 5, 7, 1 in the third.
Just iterate over the transposed of your array.
This should give you a start.
For a 3-dimensional array you could try. See the docs on how array.transpose works. Basically you are specifying which dimension to shift. In this case we are shifting the second dimension, e.g. columns, to the first dimension.
Shift 2.